Hi everyone, in this session we will learn how to apply the left join in the link queue and how we can get to the matching element from the right table and all element from the left table. So let's get started. First we need to create two class. First is the employee class, second is the department class. So public class employee and public int id set get. Copy this thing, okay. Here name and dep id, okay. One more class we need to create. Copy this class and paste. Then class name is department id and the second is the department name and this thing normal. We have created the two class. Now we need to create the two list. Go to the main method and first list is employee list equal new list employee and yes, here new id is equal to 1, name is equal to Alice, dep id is equal to 1 and this thing. Here also put the semicolon, copy, paste. Paste. Fine. Here id is 2, name John, dep id 2, id is 3, name Jacob, dep id 4 and id is the 4, name is the Eric, dep id no need. We are not passing the department id here. And 5, okay, okay, we are passing the dep id here 1 but 5, name is Carl and we are not passing the dep id here, okay. And one more list we need to be created for the department class. Copy and paste and required change. Here is the department. Also here is the depart oh just a second. This should be capital. Okay. So department and here paste. Only 3 row we need to the department, rather than we need to delete it. ID 1, 2 and 3 and dep name, department name, copy and paste. Okay. And this thing no need. Department HR ID, remove it and support, because in the department class only we have the two property, ID and name. Okay, done. Now we need to the write the Linq query for fetching the matching element from the right table and all element from the left table. Okay, so what result is equal to from e in employee join d in department on e dot dep id. In the place of equal, here we need to write the equal d dot id. Okay, into here we need to the write the for the left table we need to the create the group e group okay, and from D department in E group default or empty, default or empty, default, and now we need to the select the value, select new here and write the name like mp name equal e dot name and dep name equal d dot department name. Okay, fine. Now we need to be the print the program. I am gonna do the using the for each loop. Where item in result and console dot write line item dot name imp name and plus new tab plus item dot dep name. Yes, done. Now save and check the result. Run the program. It is showing the error. Just that. See, it is showing the object reference not set, means null exception. This is the null value exception. So we need to fix the null value first. First we need to fix the null value. We didn't pass the value, and here also it is here is department is coming the null because id 4 is not there. Okay, so we need to fix null value here if d is equal to null then no department. Okay, else this thing, else the value of the department now is correct. Save and run the program. You see, here is the all element, all the row, means common element from the matching element from the right table, HR, IT and HR. These three row from the right table and all row from the left table. So the program is working fine. So by this query, by this SQL type query, we can get the Lefft joine. So program is working fine. Thank you for watching this video.